por si acaso.
Right on time.
So, how do you want to do this?
I don't know. Drive to the train, figure out where they're keeping the dough, hop aboard, and then kill the shit out of anyone who gets between us and our money?
Sounds good. Let's move.
Wait. Before we go?
Toma.
Oh,
What
no,
you
I have a
says.
couple on me already.
Before the whole Saints thing got started, I got depressed and ordered a whole lot of knives. I figure if this is our only run together, you should at least get a souvenir.
It's beautiful.
Amazing.
Thank you.
14 cajas para
Let's
sacarlo.
get that money.
Solo, ¿Qué es eso? Ah, son las motos voladoras. Oh,
Hard to tell from the surveillance imagery.
ahí disparo yo.
Then we hop on the back and work our way up till we find it.
Whatever you say.
Incoming fire! Kev!
We're okay.
¿Quién disparó?
Losing speed though.
Shit, we need the Nawali for this. Plan B. Nina, get me on the train. Then go help Kev.
Got it. Hold tight.
Oh, made it! How's it going back there?
I'm with Kev. Spike's fucked.
Sorry. Nina's going to bring me up instead. What's plan C?
We'll be right there.
Problem. Marshall locked the train down.
I'll have to hotwire the doors. Good thing I used to work for these assholes.
Pues acá paraguas.
We're close. Hang in there.
Shit, Nina, stay back. They've got a turret.
What is your plan now?
Get in close and try to hotwire it? Yeah, call
No
that
llegan,
plan
tío.
D. You made a mistake. Move.
No funciona, Hostia. Hay que avanzar.
I can't get close until you hotwire that turret.
Unauthorized entry detected.
Oli.
Screw hotwiring. I can take out these control circuits.
Oh,
System malfunction. Defense turret offline.
Turret's down. You can bring in the Nawali now.
Closing in.
You better keep moving. Looks like they're up to something a few cars ahead.
I can taste that money already.
Need to couple the train.
Nina, I need a lift.
Have to drop off the Nawali and come back for him.
Do it.
Is that plan E? Technically, it's plan B again. This is no time for whiteboards, Eli.
¿qué más hay que hacer?
I'm here. Hop
Vamos
on.
por el tren. Ah,
Let's catch that train.
el otro. Ojo el camión.
Oh, shit.
Panteros, take the train, find the money, kill anyone in your way.
I'm gonna need the Nawali. Fast.
I'll drop you off and get him. What are you gonna do?
I guess plan E? All right.
Ok.
Where are they coming from?
¿Estos me están ayudando? No, no.
You meatheads think you can steal our heist?
No estoy haciendo ni daño, creo.
I warned you, Marshal, and you, Saints.
Avanti.
Got the Nawali.
Heading to you.
I thought train duty was supposed to be easy.
¿Del lado? ¿De dónde? Ah, aquí había otro camión, de verdad.
This train is no match for my trucks.
Ya. Más tranquilos.
Nobody robs this. Damn it! Those helicopters are dropping Panteros like con-fucking-fetti.
Solo estoy un bollo en un momento, espérate.
Panteros, kill your enemies.
Da igual que les pegue, que no, que van a seguir apareciendo.
Another.
Boom. Hostia.
This is for what you helped Nina do to the forge!
Ay, Dios mío.
The money is now mine.
Necesita... ¿Nadie?
Didn't we blow up all these fucking trucks?
¿Dónde? Creo que este es compañero, ¿no?
An extra share to anyone who brings me the head of one of the saints.
Ah, pues no.
2 shares.
No puedo hacer daño mientras no.
Oh yeah, you hear that? My head's worth twice the rest of yours.
Toma, toma.
Really wouldn't mind the Nawali about now.
Ay, que no veo.
You melt up like style.
Está duro este, ¿eh? Hostia.
Nina, any ETA?
Not yet. Dealing with Panteros here too.
Corta.
We're almost there.
Watch yourselves. Sergio's still around somewhere and he's out.
No, amarra.
Let him come. I'm past ready to boss battle that crap sack.
Ojo. Borja Escalona. Toma. Así es.
Sorry if I surprised you. I thought stealth would be our ally.
Yeah, no, wow. You just killed him pretty hard.
It was nothing.
I know, I just kind of figured I'd be the one that... You know what? It's good. It's all good. Let's go get our money.
Get me out of here. I need a pickup.
Puente.
Another turret. Follow my lead.
I know how to handle myself against Marshall.
That shit don't rock with me.
Vale.
Unauthorized entry detected.
Let's take this sucker down.
System malfunction.
Venga,
Defense
parla.
turret offline.
You do have
Vamos a
a gift
amarla.
for destruction.
Sube, sube, sube.
I think I can see the church from up here. Hey, Nawali, you ever robbed a train like this before? On foot, I mean.
Yes, once. In the Andes. It was during a blizzard, so the footing was more treacherous.
Aquí abajo. Muérete, coño.
Yes.
Muérete. Pobrecitos.
Extra jet bikes. Perhaps we can use these to make our escape.
Gotta find the money first.
It always pays to have an escape plan. Look out!
Seal the car!
Split them up!
Nuwali!
Are you alright? What's happening in there?
We got to
Por la
split up.
puerta.
I lost the Nuwali.
Ja.
Nawali! Nawali, come in! Over!
Is he okay? Or
Ahora tienen por atrás,
bailed
¿no?
on us?
He wouldn't do that, right?
Ahora.
Somebody give me some good news.
You're near the front. The money must be... Did they launch a helicopter?
Yeah, I'm sick of this shit.
Me ha
I'm grabbing that
reventado,
tank.
You're what?
I'm calling this Plan F. F for fuck it.
Me ha reventado. Bueno. Oh.
Glad you taught me to drive one of these. Ah. Welcome to Plan F, motherfuckers!
Madre mía. Ahí de un
Next
tierra.
time, build a smaller train.
¿Cómo tiro palanca ahora? Ahí. Ahí. Dios. Puta nave, tío. Joder, reviento. A reventar.
Jesus, fuck, what was that?
The falling VTOL must have hit something important. I'm seeing explosions
Oh.
all over. You better hurry. Nina, we need an evac.
I'm not in position. I had to fall back.
There it is. I see the money car.
Increíble.
For once, things went as planned.
Let's see how he did. That enough to cover the crew?
You're goddamn right it is. You might even have enough left over to buy some proper stemware.
Then they wouldn't be mugmosas. Thanks for your help.
Thanks for the knife.
Think about what I said.
I will. And if you guys need anything, just call.
El lingotes le
He
llaman.
was a nice guy. Sad to see him go.
He carved out Sergio's heart.
Okay. He was an intense guy. Sad to see him go.
Hey, we had a big win today. We should do something irresponsible to celebrate.
What do you have
Así
in
es.
mind?
Oh, I don't know. The money fight!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Slow down there, buddy.
We'd almost kill Kev.
I was in the moment.
You dumb son of a bitch.
I
Otro
am so
lingote.
sorry, Kevin.
Buy me a stand mixer and all is forgiven.
Deal.